Hello there, Ted Hargrave from marketingforhippies.com. I'm here in St. Catharines at the mall waiting for my bus. Here's the thought for today. People struggle with their point of view a lot, and figuring out what their point of view is, how to articulate it. Here's one of the simplest ways to do it. I just heard from somebody and it makes so much sense. Sit down and write out, what are the exercises you always do with your clients? What are your go-to exercises? There are probably certain assignments, bits of homework that you do with people all the time, and you don't even think about it, but they're so common. So for myself, if you go to marketingforhippies.com/puttering-prep, you'll see a lot of the most common exercises I do around niching. So try this. Just get out a pen and paper, or, your phone or laptop, and just start typing. What are those things that, more often than not, I suggest my clients do? That starts to turn you onto your point of view, because wait, if those exercises are so common, why? What are they telling you? So once you've made all those exercises, look and say, what is it that is having me assign these? What do I believe about, what do these exercises reveal about what I believe about the situation, about what the most important elements to deal with are? It can be really illuminating to see. So that's the quick little exercise to figure out your point of view. Hopefully that's helpful. If you want more videos on point of view and content, go to marketingforhippies.com/steps and go to step 2, and you'll see all my point of view stuff linked to from there. And most of it is free. So thanks so much. Feel free to subscribe by hitting the red button and the bell icon. And marketingforhippies.com is where you can find me all the time.